Hi, this is me, Bruno, coming from the Venetian in Las Vegas. It is absolutely sensational. Our room. We're in a suite. Now, this is, believe it or not, a standard suite. This is without an upgrade. This is standard. Check it out. This is the entrance with Julie walking there. This is now check this out. This is the bed. And we've got cupboards, and she's already snaffled all the hangers.
I have not.
And you can see it's split level. Like I said, this is standard, no upgrade. Check this out.
She moved us up to a higher level.
Yeah, we moved up to a higher floor, that's all. And if I can press this button properly, watch this.
No, hang on. Jason.
Look at that. Curtains close. If you move the lid, or I can go. So that is how you open up the curtains, and then let's go come through here. We've got a well, no, actually, I'm not sure what size. That could be 40 or 50-inch TV for the lounge, and we've also got a 50-inch TV for the bedroom. So once again, there's a room which comes with light switches and also curtain switches as well. The thermostat here is 68. This is now we can't let me take you into the lounge now. This is the lounge.
Chill.
The decor is magnificent. Absolutely magnificent.
Got a shake desk.
Yeah, oh, the desk. Okay. Now look at this. Free Wi-Fi, but also check this out. Not only are there power ports in the desk, there's USB ports. Look at that. Okay, I'm doing the geeky thing here, but that is magnificent. Funky lights, funky table with chairs. This is our view. Now this is what we're going to see on Thursday night at the Mirage. You can see that there. That is the Beatles' Love, and we've been told it's a great show by 2 people already that work here. That's the pool area, and we're in the tower now. Of course we can't see, but we'll take video of the tower when we go outside. And right there is their wheel, the Las Vegas wheel, which we do plan on taking a ride. Apparently it's 30 minutes. So we'll go on that. So this is a view back from the lounge to the bedroom. Yeah, no, seriously, it is absolutely sensational. It's so nice.
Beautiful.
It is really, really nice. Guy was
little Jewish man.
Yeah, guy was telling us who bought up the bags. Lovely guy called Andre. Said that they have a lot of repeat customers because this is like the best standard room in Vegas. So yeah, but we can see why. It was a real wow factor when we walked in. Okay, and that's it. And we'll take some more video. Oh, hang on, I didn't do the bathroom, did I? Oh, no. Hang on. Oops. Okay, this is the bathroom. Now get a load of this. We have French doors, or is that French Venetian doors? Anyway, and this is the bathroom. 2 sinks. Your shower and makeup area. which I probably won't be using this time. Julie might. And then in here is just a toilet and with a phone there. So you can call for assistance. Oh, and also we get another TV. So there's 3 TVs and there's a remote. So how's that?
What?
There you go.
There's a 3rd TV? Where? Oh, you're...
Okay, yeah, she's just seen the
Did you
TV.
show the phone in the toilet?
Yeah, showing phone in the toilet. Yeah. Okay, all right. So signing off now,
For day 1?
and we're going to walk around the hotel, and I'll bring this with me. This is going to be magnificent. See ya.